1971, Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he was different, quiet, withdrawn, obsessed with understanding how things worked. At the age of 10, he taught himself how to code, not because someone told him to, but because he wanted control over creation. By 12, he sold his first video game. Most kids spent money. Elon learned how to make it. School was not kind to him. He was bullied, often isolated. Books became his escape. Ideas became his shelter. At 17, Elon made a decision that would change his life. He left South Africa. No fame, no safety net, no powerful connections, just ambition. He moved to Canada, then later to the United States. He studied physics and economics. But Elon did not want a safe career. He wanted impact, something big enough to matter. In the late 1990s, he co-founded his first company, Zip2. The goal was simple: help newspapers survive the internet. The execution was brutal. Elon slept in the office, showered wherever he could, worked day and night with no guarantee of success. Eventually, Zip2 was sold, made his first millions. For most people, this would have been the finish line. Comfort, security, freedom. For Elon, it was only fuel, because instead of slowing down, he made a decision that would define everything that came next. He put almost all of his money back into the game. And that decision would soon push him closer to failure than he had ever been before. After selling Zip2, Elon Musk had his first taste of real money, but he was far from satisfied. Comfort was never his goal. Instead, he reinvested nearly everything into a new venture called X.com, which later became PayPal. Elon worked day and night, reviewing every line of code, analyzing every possible risk, and constantly questioning every decision. When the board removed him as CEO while he was on his honeymoon, it would have crushed most people. Elon did not stop. He stayed deeply involved, pushing the limits and taking accountability like no one else. PayPal eventually succeeded and was sold, bringing Elon millions, but he did not slow down. Instead of enjoying luxury, he set his sights on two audacious goals that the world thought impossible: SpaceX and Tesla. SpaceX aimed to make rockets reusable and space exploration cheaper than any government program. Tesla aimed to revolutionize transportation with electric cars in a market addicted to gasoline. Both were ideas the world thought were doomed to fail. And at first, failure came fast. Rockets exploded. Launches failed. Factories struggled to produce vehicles. Money disappeared at alarming speed. By 2008, Elon Musk was almost bankrupt. Both Tesla and SpaceX were on the verge of collapse. Employees worried. Friends advised him to step back. Family feared he had gone too far. Every sane choice would have been to quit. But Elon refused. He moved into the Tesla factory, slept on the floor, and monitored every detail. He oversaw engineering, design, production, and even public relations. He became the embodiment of extreme accountability, knowing that every decision rested on his shoulders. Then, slowly, things started to change. One SpaceX rocket successfully reached orbit, earning recognition and contracts from NASA. Tesla delivered its first electric car that consumers trusted and loved. Suddenly, the impossible seemed possible. Elon Musk's obsession, relentless focus, and refusal to quit had turned near-certain failure into undeniable success. This is the truth most people never see. If you want more real stories about money, mindset, and moves that actually change lives, subscribe to Moneycraft now.